primary color? Red. Okay? So we are going to put this tissue in red and put it in plain water. And now which color is this? Yellow. Yellow is also a primary color. We are going to put. So what color is going to come? Red. When red mixes with which color is going to come? Orange. Can we see? Yeah. Wow. Excellent. Now we are going to okay. Now we are going to put this in blue and it will go in the plain water. The colors become blue. And now we are going to take yellow. And so which color is it going to form? Green. See, which color? Green. Green. And now what are we going to do? We are going to put this in. Which color is this? Blue. And with blue, which color are we going to take? Red. Red. So which color is it going to become? Purple. Purple. Which color? Okay.